When it comes to mobility scooters, you typically have to make a choice between a 4-wheel or a 3-wheel model. The 4-wheel gives you more stability, while the 3-wheel offers a tighter turning radius. But thanks to this GoGo Elite Traveler 2 from Pride Mobility, you won't have to make that choice anymore. Watch how tight the wheels cut on this 4-wheel scooter. Utilizing Pride's patented iTurn technology, the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 offers the tightest turning radius of any 4-wheel scooter available at just 37 inches. That means you get the best of both worlds, the stability of a 4-wheel with the turning ability of a 3-wheel. Watch this demonstration inside an elevator for a clear picture of this scooter's capability. As you can see, the ET2 can make a full turn in this tight space, while a typical 4-wheel scooter cannot due to its larger turning radius. That's something that previously only a 3-wheel scooter could achieve, but not anymore. The GoGo Elite Traveler 2 has a breathable mesh back seat, comes standard with interchangeable red and black shrouds, offers feather touch disassembly for convenient portability, and may be eligible for Medicare reimbursement should you qualify. This is one sequel you don't want to miss. The GoGo Elite Traveler 2 offers an exceptional mobility experience and sets a new standard of what's possible with a 4-wheel scooter. Head to pridemobility.com to find out much more about the ET2, and we will see you next time on Mastering Mobility.